Today on Living Hakuna, I'm gonna try to fix this winch.
There's one of the differences between when you live on a boat and when you just actually come for the weekend. When you live on...
I'm Andrea, that's Alejo, and those are our bears, Ozzy and Deco. We left the corporate world in Miami to become digital nomads and chase the wind kiteboarding. Join us as we sail an adventure in our dream home, Hakuna. Hello everyone! So, last night I stayed until 4 a.m. watching the series that Alejo put. Oh my god. Does anybody else get stuck watching Netflix series? You just watch one episode, then another one, then you realize you watch the clock, it's 4 a.m., 5 a.m., and you're like, oh my god, I just want to keep watching so much. So hard. So I've been pretty tired today. We actually sailed from Stanley Key to Compass Key, and we baked some brownies, and pretty much we're gonna be calling it a day because we're just gonna go keep watching the series, finish it, and
I repeat, do not eat my brownies. I made my brownies.
I'm gonna be eating the brownies. I already ate another one.
¿En serio?
Sí. Ve, contrólate, amor, controla tus emociones. This guy's like addicted to sweets.
Yes.
How do you feel? Do you think you should go to a therapist?
No.
Because you can't go a day without eating Nutella or without eating chocolate or without eating...
My sugar is low on my blood, so...
No, it's not. You're like, you have a lot of sugar. Too much sugar, I would say.
Yeah.
Yes.
No. That's why I feel like busy. I'm so tired.
Lies.
Please do not show my pee-pee on the camera.
So you're gonna have brownies?
Totally made brownies. So yes, people, I made some brownies. Becoming such a chef. Very good chef.
Hello, Echo. Good morning. Hello, Osito. Good morning, Ositos. Good morning, Ositos. So, I'm just concerned right now because I don't know if you guys can see, but oh my god, we're actually touching. It's low tide, and dude, we're like literally touching the freaking ground. Oh my god, we're totally touching bottom. Oh my god, I was wondering why we weren't moving at all, and it's because it's low tide and the boat is touching the bottom. That's crazy. Baby! Estamos tocando el fondo! Yes, it totally is. I just looked. We're like literally on the bottom.
¿Con la cámara?
Yeah.
Como que está apoyado.
Yeah, dude, like look on the other side. Oh my goodness. This is so nerve-wracking. Can you see it? What do you think? Should we be worried? I have to take the dogs out. I hate when Alejo makes me do this by myself. I don't know, I'm so lazy. Like there's no doubt. Right?
Se ve negro. Ladies and gentlemen, we hit rock bottom. Officially. We're touching the bottom.
Someday. Maybe there's not gonna be a place that looks like a pool like this place. Echo, cuidado, bebé. Thanks, mate. Thanks, mate.
Está desinflado.
It's not fully, but it was cold last night. Yeah. Okay. Maybe you're not gonna come with me?
No.
Why?
I'm working.
Go. Go.
So people, yes, a bunch of things to do today. I'm gonna try to fix this winch. This one. That I think it needs to be like greased up. Check the engines, check the oil on the engines, on the cell drives, check the strainer, check the belts, and I'm gonna translate some YouTube videos. Yes. So I'm missing just cleaning this winch, taking the oil grease out, and because it has like sand and hairs and more sand and dirt, you can see a grease, it's pretty bad. So I'm gonna clean the winch, put it nice like new. So I gotta take it apart. This is the first step. Take this off. There's the bearings. These bearings, they go here, and yeah. So I'm gonna service this winch and see how it goes. So you can see I took it apart. I'm gonna clean this. It's like really bad. Look like hair and everything. I'll show you the insides of the winch. Put them here. I'm gonna clean them too. So this is it. That's the centerpiece. Goes inside here. Here goes some bearings. Now this one, this we can take apart too. I'll show you guys. So this part comes apart too. This. So this is what makes the clicking noise. We're gonna grease this up too. Tap, 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 tap. Just gonna clean it real quick.
Here's the menu, my fellow friend. We have beans and beans and beans and beans. What would you like?
Oh,
or garbanzos?
no. I'll take the beans.
You'll take the beans?
Oh, totally.
Yep. That's what we got. We have some beans and garbanzos and more beans and more garbanzos. Dude, what is it with us and sharks? Like, it's super shallow right now and there's a shark. Again. Where is it? Where are you, Bruce? Have you seen Bruce? Hi, Bruce! Oh, it's a baby Bruce.
It's like super shallow.
It's super shallow. Baby,
There's a shark below the boat.
Baby, it's a nurse shark. They don't count as sharks.
That's a shark.
Huh?
Yes, it's still a shark. You didn't see a shark. I saw it from the bedroom.
How did you see it from the bedroom?
Big ass thing, like, you know.
Are you gonna go in the water with me? Then put it on. Baby. Hi, ositos. Trying to make sure that it's clean so we don't have to clean it again once we get to Miami, so yeah.
also cleaning the little dinghy here. Cause it gets really dirty. You don't really realize it, but it gets really dirty. So we better shower here in the water and clean everything. So that's the difference. One of the differences between when you live on a boat and when you just actually come for the weekend. When you live on a boat, you go in the water just to clean, not really to like just tan and enjoy, you know? We clean. So yeah.
Hi, people. Yes. Hello.
So, baby, what are we doing right now?
We're trying to do like a schedule, like sketch.
A tentative schedule.
Yes. Because we have to leave the Bahamas by May 20th.
Yeah, that's when our cruising permit is expired.
Correct. And today is the 4th.
The 4th of May. And right now we're in Compass Key. And we have 240 nautical miles to go from here to Miami. Is that directly, like in a straight line?
Yeah.
That's going through like all the stops? Okay. So yeah. So what were you saying, baby?
So we're here in Compass Key.
Okay.
The idea is to get to Highbourne Key, the Exumas, so we can cross over to Nassau or straight to Chop Key. And that will be, if we go straight from the Exumas to Chop Key, it's like 75 miles. So it takes us like 15 hours.
Let me see here.
And we will have to wait for a weather passage or weather window. So we're pretty
tight.
Yeah, I think so. I mean, we
Pretty
have
tight.
15 days to get out of the Bahamas. We don't want to use the engines. We want to do everything
Because
by
we can't get fuel anywhere. So if we use the engines,
I mean, we can make it by using the engines from here. But that's
we
not
can.
the
Do we
idea.
have enough?
I think so.
I mean, if something goes bad, do we have enough?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, so I'm not worried anymore.
You're not worried?
I'm not. No.
I wasn't worried. Well, I was checking the engines before we had to move tomorrow. And the starboard sail drive, it was like milky and it had a little bit of water. So I'm gonna take out the oil. I have oil only for one sail drive, so I'm gonna use it.
Can we see how milky it is? Let's see that. Yep. Okay, there. Yep, that's not good oil.
No.
Okay.
So it wasn't as bad as I thought, but yeah, it's milky. It's getting some water. So I'm just gonna hope we put in new oil and we're good.
Alright guys, so this is where we leave you for this week's video. Share in the comment section below. Let us know what kind of videos you want to see in the future, what questions do you have for us. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It helps us spread the video so more people can watch it. Subscribe to our channel and hit the little bell button to stay up to date with future videos. We upload every single Sunday, and sometimes when we feel like it, we upload on Thursday. So make sure you subscribe to get notified, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye!